Welcome to today's video on factors influencing OX fan prices. If you've ever wondered why the cost of OX fans varies across different models and stores, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the key factors that affect their pricing and help you make a smarter buying decision. When considering the purchase of an OX fan in Nigeria, one of the most common questions buyers ask is, why do prices vary so widely? Several factors play a role in determining the cost of OX fans, and understanding them can help you make smarter buying decisions. Model and specifications. Different OX fan models come with varying features, from basic standing fans to rechargeable options with remote control, misting functions, and adjustable speeds. Naturally, the more advanced the model, the higher the cost. For example, a simple 16-inch standing fan will cost significantly less than a rechargeable OX fan with a built-in battery backup. Size and power output. The blade size and motor capacity of the fan also impact the price. Larger fans, 18-inch or 20-inch, with higher wattage motors consume more energy but deliver stronger airflow, making them more expensive than compact models. Energy efficiency and battery technology. With Nigeria's ongoing power supply challenges, rechargeable OX fans are in very high demand. Those equipped with lithium batteries, known for longer lifespan and faster charging, command higher prices compared to older lead-acid battery models. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.